Hello and a very warm welcome to Vikram on Prudent Finances. In today's episode, I'm showcasing how fast and easy it is to send money online anytime, anywhere from the United States to the United Arab Emirates or UAE. Now, as you can see, I'm on the World Remit page. I provided the direct link to this very page in the description below this video. You simply click on that and get to the same page yourself. From there, you can go through the same steps that I'll showcase, and thereby you'll easily be able to send money online from the US to the UAE. The first step for you would be to choose United States in the country to send from, which I've already chosen. The second step would be to choose UAE or United Arab Emirates in the list of countries to send to. With that done, let's get started. Now, this is the page that appears right in front of you. Send money online to United Arab Emirates. Cash pickup from Horizon Exchange. First of all, cash pickup is not the only option. There's bank transfer as well as cash pickup. And World Remit definitely has the whole of UAE very well covered. So whether you're looking to send money to Dubai, to Sharjah, to Abu Dhabi, it doesn't really matter. You can send money just about any part of the UAE. The first step here on this page would be to choose your state. Now, let's say from this list of states in the US, let's take up Florida. And we are sending to United Arab Emirates. And there are these two services, as I mentioned, bank transfer and cash pickup. Let's start by choosing bank transfer. Between send and receive, we might as well look at receive, whereby you know the exact amount which the recipient in the United Arab Emirates is to receive in dirhams. Let's take a relatively nominal figure of 1000 dirhams, which the recipient is to receive. Now, for that, the send amount for you in the US would be 280.68 US dollars with applicable World Remit fees of 9.99 US dollars only, whereby the total to pay would be USD 290.67 for the recipient to receive 1000 dirhams at the exchange rate of 3.56 dirhams to a US dollar. Now, these are some fabulous aspects of World Remit because everything is so clear. You know the exact amount to send, you know the exact fees that would apply, you know the total that you need to pay for the recipient to receive a very specific pre-chosen amount, with the exchange rate also being fixed. Because especially when we look at direct bank transfers, say from one bank account to another bank account, from your US bank account to the recipient's UAE bank account, often there'll be intermediary charges, there'll be all kinds of fees, you'll never know the exchange rate that is actually taken. So there are a lot of these question marks, so to say, but here there are no such question marks. Everything is very, very crystal clear. And yes, it is well and truly the fastest, simplest way to send money to friends and family with industry leading payment security, because that is quintessential. Unless the platform that you're using is secure, you will definitely not want to use it. And there's enormous flexibility, whereby whether it's a computer, a smartphone, or a tablet, it does not really matter. As long as you can connect to World Remit and then go through the entire transfer process. When it comes to these bank deposits, they take as little as 1 to 2 days, and you can transfer to all banks in the UAE. So whether, say, we are looking at United Emirates Bank or Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, maybe Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank or Arab Bank, it doesn't matter. Any and every bank in the United Arab Emirates, you'll easily be able to send money to, with the transfer being completed within as little as 2 working days. Now, having looked at the bank transfer option, let's look at cash pickup as well, because that is also another option which is available. Now, again, between send and receive, let's look at receive, and let's stick to the same amount that we chose previously for bank transfer. Again, you see that everything remains identical, with the fees also remaining the same. So that's another great thing about World Remit. They've not chosen to distinguish between the two kinds of services. They've stuck to the same kind of fees. Now, having seen this, let's see what happens if we double the amount which the recipient is to receive. You see that the fees have increased very, very nominal. By just $3 they've actually increased, which means that again WorldRemit has taken every possible step to ensure that fees remain as nominal as possible so that you don't feel the pinch. And as far as cash pickup is concerned, cash is available to collect instantly. So, which means as soon as you've completed this transfer process and actually have clicked here on send to go through the process yourself, the cash would be available for the recipient to pick up in the UAE. As far as Horizon Exchange is concerned, it is located in Dubai. It's at Nasser Square in Dubai. So then, and the working hours being Monday to Sunday except Friday between 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So as long as in Dubai in particular, if you're looking to pick up cash, you can do so from the Horizon Exchange office. So that, ladies and gentlemen, was a simple and easy way for you to send money from the US to the UAE. Now, having seen both bank deposit and cash pickup, you would perhaps like me to reiterate as to why you should choose WorldRemit in particular, given the fact that there are other services in the horizon as well. Firstly, low cost, low fees. I showed you that even while doubling the amount which the recipient is to receive, the fees increased very marginally. And then the exchange rates are fixed. Once they are arrived at, they remain consistent. And yes, the speed of transfer is extremely fast, especially with cash pickup. As you noted, it is in fact instant. And then throughout the process, there are constant notifications being sent out both by SMS and email to the sender as well as the receiver, so that at every step they are updated as to how things are going. And yes, WorldRemit is truly very, very simple. It's 24 by 7. You don't need to visit any agent like Western Union. As long as you're able to get onto the WorldRemit platform using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, the device also doesn't matter. You'll easily be able to go through the entire process yourself. And then, yes, it is extremely trustworthy. Bear in mind that the same folks who've invested in Facebook have invested as much as 140 million US dollars in WorldRemit. Further, WorldRemit's own customers have rated it as excellent on Trustpilot. So all of these factors together make WorldRemit a truly formidable entity when it comes to sending money, that too online from the US to the UAE. Yes, it is genuinely as easy as 1, 2, 3. You select the country, you add the recipient details, and you send the money, and you're good to go. Trustpilot has definitely been voted excellent consistently. These are the kind of reviews which it has received. You can always check them out yourself. So before I conclude, I would reiterate that if you're looking to send money from the US to the UAE, for that matter from the US to practically any other part of the world, and likewise if you're looking to receive money in the UAE, not only from the US but just about anywhere else in the world, you can rely on WorldRemit. The direct link is there in the description below this video. You can simply click on that and go through the entire money transfer process yourself as well. Many thanks for watching.